This is the golden rain tree that we rescued from a nursery about 4 years ago, and we got it planted in the ground. At that time, it was in a small 1-gallon container, so the roots are really confined inside that plastic container. And here I am 4 years later, taking a look at this tree, giving it a good inspection, and I've noticed that it's got some new growth right here that I'll explain in a minute. Got a little dieback on this side right here. The explanation for this is down low, we have a wound here, and you can kind of follow the wound up the tree to somewhere in here, and then going up. On this side, there's some fissures right here. And on up higher, we got some bark missing right here, and it looks like the branch got cracked. So it looks like this tree took some high wind and it pushed it back. And you can see as I bend it, the places that it bends on the tree, and up here, it looks like it just pushed it real hard and cracked that vascular tissue. Now, do we want to do any pruning on this tree because of that? No, not at this point. We're going to let the tree do what it's going to do. We may lose this part right up here at the top, but if we do that, at that point, we'll do some pruning. Here you'll see this small, what we call epicormic growth, water sprouts. That is in response to, number one, this pruning cut that we made 4 years ago, and probably where another area where this tree bent in that high wind. And so it's responding to protect itself from that wound decaying by pushing out this growth from a dormant or epicormic bud. So this wants to produce energy in this section of the tree to make these cracks from the wind close over faster. So it's going to produce a lot of energy right here. That's why we don't want to cut these branches off. Also, by leaving these lower branches as long as you can possibly stand it, it's going to help this tree grow in girth instead of trying to grow up high and tall and skinny like the trees in the forest do. And I think in the future, we're going to end up with a happy, healthy golden rain tree.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.